Ethan and Sophia are excited to start building a giant Lego ship together today. They carefully place strong Lego pieces to create a solid and stable foundation. Slowly, the ship's body grows bigger as each brick is perfectly placed. They build the deck on top, making sure everything is flat and ready. A tall mast is carefully built to support the sails and complete the structure. The sails are attached and gently move as if catching the ocean wind. They add small details like windows, anchor, and steering wheel to complete the ship. With excitement, they place the ship on water to see if it will float. The giant ship sails smoothly across the ocean, proving their hard work paid off. Standing proudly, they look at their masterpiece, ready for their next big adventure.